Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I am continuing my room by room declutter, this time with my master bedroom closet. I'm only doing my closet, not my husband's, but I did find a few more clothing items to declutter. So I will show you. This is a blazer that looks kind of like a tuxedo jacket, but it's actually washable. You don't have to dry clean it. But it's always been a little big for me, and I don't really need a lot of suit jackets anymore, and I still have quite a few of them. And so I haven't worn this probably in 2 years, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it. Then next I have this jacket. I used to really love this jacket. I wore it a lot. It's reversible. It has a fuzzy side on one side with pockets, and then a smoother side on this side with pockets. But I got a new fuzzy jacket earlier this year, and this one's getting a little bit worn out. I don't know if you can see that. There's like some of the fuzz is missing here. Not that this is the fuzzy side, but you know, you can see it's kind of discolored here. So I'm going to get rid of that. Then I have this bathrobe. And it's a nice bathrobe, but I really don't ever wear it. It's quite heavy, and even in the winters here in California, I tend to wear a shorter bathrobe when I wear one. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. I've had this for maybe 8 years, and I've worn it a handful of times. And then I have this extra holder here. I had originally gotten this to hang fabric ribbon off of for storage, but it really is not practical because when you put things on it, things that are near the bottom get covered up by things that are near the top. So even though it's cute, it's not very functional. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. And then I have 3 belts. These 2 came with some shorts that I got. I don't really wear them, so I'm getting rid of those. And then this belt, I have another skinny black belt that works better, so I'm getting rid of this one. And then I have this scarf, and it's a twisted knit scarf. It's a little hard to see because of the fuzzy stuff, but I used to wear this in the wintertime sometimes, but I haven't worn this in several years, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. This is one that I had made for myself. And then lastly, this is a velvet dress, and it's kind of a mandarin style collar. I don't know if you can see this. There's a little loose thread from the buttonhole, and it's really nice, but I can't think of the last time I wore this. It's been over 5 years ago, and I have other black dresses that I always reach for when I need to have a fancy black cocktail type dress. I like them better. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. So that's my pile of items from my master closet that I am going to discard. Thanks for watching. I hope you find these decluttering videos inspirational. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I post several videos a week, typically Tuesday and Thursday, but often more frequently than that, on how to creatively decorate and manage your home. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.